wireless transmission technology, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, Baidu, etc. I believe everyone is very clear. We also have many applications and contacts in our life and work. Today, I will introduce to you a wireless transmission technology of UWB. I believe many old posts will definitely, I haven't even heard of it. So let me talk about what UWB is. UWB is also a wireless transmission technology. It is called broadband. UWB is a broadcast-free communication technology. At present, its biggest use in our lives and work is for accurate positioning inside and outside the city. With its positioning, it is so accurate that it can be within 10 centimeters of error. So it is used for this essence positioning. In addition, compared with other wireless transmission technologies such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, it also has the following 4 characteristics. First, it has high security, and second, it has large bandwidth. Third, anti-interference. The fourth most important positioning accuracy is accurate. We usually use positioning, as we all know. GPS is what we usually use wherever I go by air, for example. But our copying frame technology can also be used for positioning, but its biggest advantage lies in its accuracy, which can reach 10 miles. Let's briefly introduce the technology of UWB. As for UWB, a wireless transmission technology that copies broadband, it can be applied in our lives. In which places and scenarios can I share it with you?